Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This is sent as a subscription. It's $5 and it's pretty awesome. Sometimes you get samples, sometimes you get full-size items, so let's go ahead, take a look. We got something awesome on top here. This is Salon Performance Ready Set Go Brow Kit. I'm going to try not to blind you with the glare, but there are a couple different shades here for your brows, a highlighter, got a little pencil here that has a built-in sharpener, and then a brow comb. Is it a comb? I don't even know what they call that, and a little brush at the end. So it's kind of a all-in-one little kit there. That's really cool. And I'm sure that's probably the value of the box right there, which is awesome. Then we have some advertisements. You can rate and review this season's products. Enter to win a gift card. Hello Toothpaste. I feel like we always get a sample of those in subscription boxes, but I like it, so I'm not mad about that. Next we have dry shampoo scent stick. Tea tree? I have never heard of such a thing. So it looks like you shake it, and then there's like this little wand in here, and you brush it through your hair. That's cool. And it's formulated with tea tree extracts to refresh your scalp and oily roots on the go in seconds. That is cool. Could have totally used that on vacation. That's neat. Then we have a sample of coconut oil body oil. Could always use that. Then we have Collagen Peptides. This says it's an unflavored dietary supplement, so it looks kind of like a protein powder. Has protein in it, amino acids. I like that it's unflavored because sometimes that stuff just tastes gross. Then here's our Hello Toothpaste sample. This is anti-plaque and whitening, natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. I have not tried this one. I've tried, I think, just a regular mint and maybe a charcoal one. That one's fun because it makes your mouth turn all black and then it's minty and clean afterwards, so that's kind of cool. I know I've gotten this in the past, but I don't think I used it because my face is very sensitive and I can't use fun things on it. This is a purifying black charcoal mask with hydration and moisture. So that I will probably pass on to either my best friend or my mom. They get to inherit all of my good beauty samples that I can't use or don't want to use. And then last time we also got a bag too, so it looks like maybe that's the new theme. So we have this nice kind of canvas material with little pink, looks like a flower, it's like the Walmart logo on it throughout. And it is a pretty big size bag, definitely bigger than the Ipsy ones I get, so that's really cute. So for $5 a month, not a month, sorry, it's quarterly, I think it's a good deal. So that is what I got. If you want to sign up, it is a subscription, so you automatically get billed, but I will put all the information below in case you're interested. If you want to see past boxes, I do have a playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.